Hello and good evening everybody. It is 23rd of August 2024 और फिर से आ गया फ्राइडे। फ्राइडे को हम क्या करते हैं आपको पता ही है। जितने भी फॉलोअर्स हैं, जितने सब्सक्राइबर्स हैं, उन सबको पता है कि फ्राइडे को हम पूरा एक वीक का इंसाइट लेते हैं और वीक अहेड का पूरा आइडिया लेते हैं। एंड फॉर दैट वी हैव आवर पार्टनर इन क्राइम मिस्टर अंकित खंडेलवाल। सो लेट्स ब्रिंग हिम इन और देखते हैं कि अब हमारे लिए क्या नए डेवलपमेंट्स आ रहे हैं। हाय अंकित, गुड इवनिंग, हाउ आर यू?
Hello, good evening. I'm fine. How are you?
आई एम गुड। सो हाउ वाज द ट्रंकेटेड वीक?
Not bad, not bad. I think uh, what I have been speaking since last couple of weeks about caution and everything, there might be a change in the closing statement for this week. I am very hopeful because this week I have seen the market actually get some sort of strength after 3 weeks of kind of a downside to a range bound movement. अगर आप देखिए तो लास्ट वीक में जैसे आपको मैंने बोला था कि 24,000 के ऊपर जब गया निफ्टी तो दो तीन डबल ट्रिपल बॉटम मारे अराउंड 24,150 ऑड पॉइंट्स. So 24,150 पे it has become sort of a support zone. And in this week, we have seen the Nifty get, a little top heavy or little tired, you can say, at above 24,700. So, today's trade 21,845. It's a fantastic closing. Oh, sorry, 823 today is a very good closing, which suggests that there might be a breakout from this range in the offing very soon. But ये ब्रेकआउट मेरे हिसाब से किसी पॉजिटिव ट्रिगर के बेस पे ही हो सकता है, क्योंकि राइट नाउ अगर आप इफ यू फॉलो द ट्रेड एंड फॉलो द पोजीशन, as much as liquidity driven this market is, 24,700 800 के ऊपर जो बायर है वो थोड़ा रिलक्टेंट है. This whole month FIs have generally been selling. Only DII के सपोर्ट पे और अपने एग्जिस्टिंग म्यूचुअल फंड्स और के सपोर्ट पे बाजार एक्चुअली स्टेबलाइज हो गया है. उसके बाद भी नीचे लेवल पे जिस दिन भी मार्केट थोड़ा नीचे खुलता है उस दिन बाइंग आ जाती है.
Right.
तो all this, having said all this, it's a very very highly liquid market. And a highly liquid market has one characteristic, that it goes up without a reason.
Right.
So I'm not, see, going by the recent numbers from the industry. आपने नोटिस किया होगा कि ये जो अभी जो रिजल्ट सीजन गया है, the result season has not been very how would I say, very much up to in line with expectation.
Exactly.
For most companies, in fact, it has not met the estimates, and the let's say fundamentals have sort of to an extent failed to catch up to the market valuation and froth that we have created, this liquidity has created.
Right.
Secondly, अगर आप a company like Maruti, for example, has first time in so many months said that they are finding it tough to push sales and their inventory is being building up. So in that case, अभी उसमें क्या है, basically, if someone like Maruti is, which is an industry leader, is going to have such a inventory pylon and inventory build up, so I don't think it will be it is a very good sign for the industry overall. Maybe it is a little premature to say right now that ऑटो इंडस्ट्री में भी मंदी आ रही है, ऐसा नहीं बोल सकते, थोड़ा प्रीमेच्योर है. also this is coinciding with this quarter, which is having all the Indian festivals like Ganpati, Dussehra, Diwali, etc. Traditionally, ये best quarter होता है for the industry.
Hmm.
So I think it's too soon to say that the bad times have come in for autos. But yeah, it is fairly indicative. You know, if
Right.
Maruti cannot sell its cars, there is no other company which will be able to sell it in India.
Right.
So you know, having said all the fundamentals and all the economic data, all the sales numbers are not very encouraging of late. उसके बावजूद बाजार ऊपर जाए जा रहा है. So somehow I feel that you know this little reluctance that the buyer has right now,
Right.
this little uncomfortable kind of feeling at these levels, uh, or lack of confidence in the market is a very valid and legitimate concern. So I do not see markets heading towards that 25 or 25 300 without any fresh positive trigger right now, as of now. ट्रेड में जा
So,
सकता है ऊपर, ट्रेड में ऊपर जा सकता है, बट वो ट्रेड में ही नीचे आ जाएगा. मतलब आपने देखा ना 3 हफ्ते पहले 25,000 गया ही था, उसके बाद 1,000 पॉइंट सीधा नीचे आ गया था 2 दिन में.
right.
So you know, movement like that can happen.
Have we already entered into the week ahead while discussing about the week gone
Yes,
by?
yes, you are right. You are actually right, because
Going with the flow, we have already entered in the week ahead. So, the week ahead, you don't see any significant movement, only liquidity driven movement, but that would not be substantial enough. Is that what we are reading it like?
yes. देखिए, जिस तरह से ये वीक गया है, I would say it is on the stronger side. It has ended on a very strong note. I
Right,
can see the chart also it is ended above the short-term moving averages.
right.
Okay, so in the absence of anything negative that might come up in the weekend,
Hmm.
I feel that it will give a strong kind of opening on Monday.
Okay.
Okay, but somehow FI selling is continuing. It
Hmm.
will get sold into. I don't see a fresh round of buying happening at 24,800 levels.
Hmm.
Maybe the trader gets matured enough and gets comfortable with these levels if it is further, you know, spending more time in this region.
Right.
200-300 पॉइंट ऊपर, 200-300 पॉइंट नीचे. आप देखिए, आज जैसे ये पूरी वीक 500 पॉइंट के गेम में खेला है
Hmm.
निफ्टी, फ्रॉम 24 400 or odd closing last weekend to
Hmm.
24 800. हम 400 पॉइंट ही देख रहे हैं. जहां
Right.
2 दिन 3 दिन ऊपर दे देता है, वहां एक दिन नीचे दे देता है. तो sort of a check and balance is happening, which is a very good thing in my opinion. This combined with lower volatility. अगर आप विक्स भी देखें, विक्स नीचे 12 तक चला गया था. ओनली
Hmm.
टुडेज ट्रेड विच इज लिटिल रैपिड, उसकी वजह
Hmm.
से विक्स थोड़ा ऊपर बंद हुआ है. आई थिंक विक्स हैज एंडेड दिस वीक एट अराउंड 13.5, which is still lower than last week's close.
Right.
Right, so you see how these things are coinciding. We are trading in a range, which means we are working sideways and we are consolidating. Simultaneously, VIX has been, this is the second week which the VIX has gone down.
Hmm.
Okay, volatility कम हो रही है, range छोटी हो रही है, which obviously means that trading volumes will increase this week or next week. It will increase as the traders get comfortable at this week.
Okay.
Only then we can say that you know आपको 25,000 या 25,200 300 सामने दिख रहा है और कंफर्टेबल लेवल पे दिख रहा है. ये नहीं कि इट में गो ऑन मंडे, इट में ओपन अप 200 पॉइंट्स अबव 25,000
Hmm.
दिखा के ट्रैप करके आपको फिर वापस नीचे दे दे. If you remember, yesterday's opening was somewhat like this only.
Hmm.
it opened so high, and then immediately in less than 10 minutes or something, it started correcting. So I feel next week is going to be again in this range bound. We might see
Okay.
one or two spikes because of the
Hmm.
current strength that the market is showing. Technically, it is closed on a very strong note. तो
Right.
वो है, बट मेरे को ये अभी भी शॉर्ट सेल का मार्केट नहीं लग रहा है. मतलब
So only
जिस दिन आपको नीचे मिले मार्केट, आप बाय करके फिर सेल करिए, कोई बात नहीं है. बट मंडे अगर 200 पॉइंट ऊपर देता है और शॉर्ट अगर आप करें, तो देयर इज अ वेरी हाई चांस कि आप फंस सकते हैं. बेयर
got it.
ट्रैप इज वेरी वेरी एविडेंट इन दिस मार्केट.
Got it. So again, I believe we can summarize it like this. We might expect a consolidation, a phase of consolidation in the coming week as well. But only one silver lining that I can understand is do not go short. That means there is a possibility that we might hit a new high. And if, as you are telling us, that the traders get confident and if the volume starts increasing, we might get a directional move which might take the market to new highs.
Correct. That's correct.
Chali, it was amazing again catching up with you and knowing as to how we have to behave with the markets which is not behaving properly. So chaliye, I hope this statement really helps us that do not go short and we get to see a new high in the coming week.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
we'll again we hope that we catch up with you the next week and understand as to how do we need to take it ahead. It was
Sure,
amazing
sure.
talking. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Have a good weekend.
Yeah. Yeah. Same to you.